Eve, the crows are back in the maple tree. Counting them feels strange without you. 16 today. 16 silent witnesses. She always loved counting those birds. I always thought I was protecting you, watching, hovering. Your mother said I was too controlling, but someone had to keep you safe. Ironically, it was my control that broke you. One grub, one sudden movement. One moment of panic when I saw you near the stairs with your phone out. I didn't mean to push. I swear I didn't mean to push. The first days in the hospital were quiet, sterile, machines breathing for you. I'd sit by the window, watching the maple tree, counting the branches, counting the days. Eve, your mother doesn't look at me anymore. Not really. She sees through me, around me, as if I'm already a ghost. And when I speak, her eyes drift to the window, to your machines, to anywhere but my face. I've become something peripheral, a shadow in the corner of her vision. Once we used to share everything, every worry about you, every small moment. Now, her silence is a canyon. When she does speak to me, her words are careful, measured. Last week I saw 3 crows on the windowsill. They're watching me, judging me. They know what I've done. They count my mistakes and they hold them against me. Your life fades now, and I've lost everything. I've lost you. I've lost your mother. Eve, if there's anything left of you listening, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Flying high on a breezy sky, crows are calling, oh my. Surfs up, wings spread wide, laughing with the tide, no place to hide.